Hey guys, welcome back to Izmir. So in this vlog I actually went to this shopping mall. It's called Forum Bornova, and as you can see it's open concept and it's so beautiful. Like, the weather was so nice on this day, I can't even tell you. So is anyone watching Bridgerton? Oh my god, I was quite disappointed by these clothes, these Bridgerton clothes. They basically just had flowers on them and they were extremely overpriced. Let me know what you guys thought of Bridgerton. I thought season 2 was extremely repetitive, so not my fave. Yeah, And I was basically just shopping around, enjoying the weather. I've said it a million times, but Izmir is so hot in summer that, yeah, it's really hard to leave the house in summer. So I'm trying to live it up as much as I can right now. I didn't buy any books or anything, but in a minute you'll see that I did find some amazing vegan ice cream. It was like coconut milk, and yeah, it was just a nice relaxing day, guys. It was really just a nice day. Hey guys, so I just found some vegan coconut ice cream. I'm at Mago. The weather is freaking gorgeous. Unfortunately, there's children crying, but nothing we can do. Okay, I actually don't like the cone, but I might eat that, I don't know. Okay, so I finished shopping around. I didn't buy anything. There was nothing I liked. Now we're gonna finally go to Ikea. I saved it for last because I didn't want to carry a bunch of stuff around. So I'm gonna finish this ice cream, go to Ikea, and then I might take the bus home because it's like a 40-minute walk. So. Made it to Ikea! Oh my god, this wallpaper. Oh, I want that wallpaper. Yerp! Mommy came back, Olum. Did you have a nice nappy? Did you have a nice nappy while Mommy was at Ikea? Where is the other? Yup. Oh my goodness. Sound sleepy. Olum, Mommy came. You didn't say hi to Mommy. You didn't wakey. Wakey. Mommy came home. Mommy missed you. What did you do when Mommy was gone? Ay, Olum. Oh my god, I finally came home. Olum! And I'm so tired. I walked like 10,000 steps, which isn't too bad. But just like, Olum, just waiting in line at Ikea is terrible. I don't know how the employees work there for so long, because there's no windows, there's no natural lighting, there's no fresh air. And like the lines just feel like they take forever. I'm just gonna show you guys what I got. Olum, you can have the bag. Yay! Okay, I spent 114 lira. I can't really see that, can you? Okay, so I bought 6 of these. They were like 50 lira each, so it came to 100 total, which I think is good because it's good. So it's good quality. And then I bought, oh my god, this was ridiculously cheap. This was only $8.99, 9 lira. This little vase was only 9 lira. It was super cheap. So I couldn't resist. And then the last thing is a teeny tiny candle. It's odd, I don't know what that means, but yeah, a little candle, and I have some votive candles which I can put in here after, which is the main reason that I bought it. Oğlum, mommy loves you. Mommy loves Oğlum. Mommy's little boy. Mommy's muffin. Okay guys, I'm gonna end this vlog here. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked it. Let me know what other kinds of things you would like to see. And Neo says bye. Bye guys. Bye.